All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through. Little help with number 21, 22, and 23 from your homework. Okay, remember that in geometry you learned that arc length was the degree of the arc over 360. So what portion of a circle is it times the length of the circumference, which was usually pi d. Okay? So, for this one, our degree is 90 degrees. And our circumference is pi times 7. Okay? So you end up getting 7 times pi times 90. That's 630 pi over 360. And if you know how to simplify this, you end up getting 7 pi over 4. Okay? But here's what's wild. If we know it in radians, arc length could also be just considered the radius times the radians. So look, 3.5 times pi over 2. So you wouldn't write a fraction as a decimal. So then you multiply the top and the bottom by 2. And look what you get. 7 pi over 4. So look at this one. 3 times 4.25. So here, if we did the arc length, is radians times radius. You get, let's see, 12 over 2. Now, to get rid of that 0.75, multiply it by 4 over 4. Okay? And you end up getting, so if I multiply this by 4 over 4, you end up with 51 pi over 8. Okay? Now, you could also say that this is, if you go the other way, you could say that it's 360. Sorry. It's 270 degree arc, because it's going this way, over 360 times pi. Our d is 8.5. And when you multiply all these out and simplify it, you get 51 pi over 8. So you can do it whichever way you want. For number 23, I'm just going to do arc length is radians times radius. So it's 5 pi over 3. 5.62 times 5 divided by 3. You end up getting 9.36 repeating times pi. Well, since it's such a nasty, you could turn that into a decimal, or into a fraction, I mean. And to do that, here, let me show you how you do this in this. You do 9.366666. And then you want to go fraction to decimal. So math, turn it into a fraction. And you're going to end up with 281 pi over 30. Hope that helps. Boom!